Welcome to this tutorial on how to check dividend payouts using the Moomoo app. Understanding dividend payouts is crucial for investors looking to maximize their returns. Let's dive into how to find this information easily on the Moomoo platform. First, open the Moomoo app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the main screen where you can see your portfolio and the market overview. From here, use the search bar at the top to enter the ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. After selecting the stock, you will be directed to its detail page. On the stock detail page, scroll down until you find the financials section. Under this section, look for information related to dividends, commonly listed under the dividends or dividend history subheading. Here, you will find details such as the dividend yield, ex-dividend date, and the amount paid per share. This information can help you make informed decisions about your investments. To keep track of future dividend payouts, you can add the stock to your watch list. This makes it easier to monitor any updates regarding dividends or changes in the company's financial performance. Remember to regularly check the Moomoo app for the latest updates and to stay informed about your investments. Thank you for watching and happy investing.